silver futures. And on the winner chart, we are in negative MACD. We're at oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we have approached to negative MACD territory and we're approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we will also remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a diverge, and we're approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $23.05. My sell target is at $24.17, and my stop loss is at $22.66. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.49, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $23.44, and my stop loss is at $24.90. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop the trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 45% chance to climb between 0 to 3.5%, a 9% chance to climb between 3.5 to 7%. To the downside, it has an 18% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3.5%, and a 27% chance to fall between negative 3.5 to negative 7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.